Hello, taco lovers. Today we've made some chorizo tacos to talk about the Brazilian concept of saudade. Now, before I get into these, please hit the like and subscribe button. It does help me keep the channel running. All right, let's give this a try. Mm. It's pretty good. It's a little spicy, different than what I normally have with chorizo and eggs. Ooh, it's a little spicy. So here's how we make it. Now, to make these, it was very simple. I bought some chorizo links from the store and heated them up with some sliced sweet bell pepper and some sliced sweet onion. Once that was cooked, I removed the plastic casing from the chorizo, placed it in a taco in a tortilla, and served it garnished with the sweet bell pepper and sweet onion. Saudade is the Brazilian concept of a bittersweet, nostalgic longing for something or someone. Rather than just a yearning, it recognizes the complexity and beauty of its absence. You can think of it as a connection to the past that allows for your growth in the present and can be seen as an appreciation of life's impermanence. There are two great ways to incorporate saudade into your life for wellness. The first is to use the longing as an inspiration to create something. You often see this in art and music. And with what I've made today, I cook because my dad taught me. So, and my mom taught me. So I can recall when I was first learning and use that as an inspiration to cook and try something more. I can look back on the times that I've had in life and use that as an impetus to make something new, a new recipe, to try a food that I didn't try before. The other way is to build our social bonds by talking about it with friends. Everyone has something or someone that they miss, and this is a shared experience that can bring us closer together and help cultivate gratitude for what we do have. I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe. I do a new video every week. Please let me know what you thought in the comments below. You can also let me know if there's any other tacos or recipes that you'd like to see me try in the future. Have a great day.